Oh my God, look at this. I need one. It's finally arrived. It's here. Oh my God, do you know what? I wanted this for so long. I hope to God it works as described on the video, because if it does, it's going to be a game changer. What an amazing Christmas present this is, right? So I've got my oranges, I've got my glass there. Right, let's just not piss around. Let's get straight into it. Right, orange in half on there, like that. This goes in and tightens, and then I've got to turn it on. Go! What? I feel this needs a close-up. Press it on. Look at that. I've got my metallic ice cubes. Wow. Cheers.